Oh, shall I start? Since I became an ambassador for the WhitePress, they started to teach me a little bit Polish. I can tell Damien usually teach me the good words, but some people, they teach me words like they say it me that actually sometimes it means good things. I am saying it with the good feelings, I promise that. And the other words, yakshemar, dzień dobry, dobrze. I am not cursing someone, right? Dale. Hello everyone, I am Koray Tuğberk Gübür, owner and founder of the Holistic SEO and Digital and also the Holistic SEO communities. And I am happy to be here with WhitePress for the SEO Vibes Dubai event. And we had a great time together. If you ask me why the WhitePress is the best, I can tell that they give the best vodka. How I met with WhitePress. 5 years ago, Tomek visited in Istanbul and we had a Turkish breakfast. Since then, in the name of the Turkish and Polish Brotherhood, we see each other. And in the first meeting, we had a Turkish breakfast. Today, here too in Dubai, we did the same actually. Together, we are working on the types of the meat and the types of the kebabs. And in the empty time, we are working on SEO. And we can tell that we have the similar minds. When it comes to why I decided to be a brand ambassador for the WhitePress, is that none of the other companies created the same value for the communities. So I own a community and they respect me, mainly because I am sharing the true information without expecting a return. And when I look at how the WhitePress is organizing all these events in Dubai, Istanbul, or Bratislava, or Zakopane, or any other place, they actually mainly care about the community rather than just doing the profit. And it brings true value. Plus, they also allow many new speakers to have new opportunities. And it creates a warm feeling in me, and I believe that they will be starting to change the industry next and the coming years in a very much better way, and I want to be part of it.